Amit, as NEET 2026 exam result is out now, so here I am for a complete step-by-step video, particularly for PWD student, as many of you have requested me for PWD student, it is to provide the step-by-step process for NEET as well, as I'm doing the guidance for all the PWD student from last 7 years for NEET both. So I am going to provide you for NEET also, and I will provide you each and every update regarding the NEET counseling process and other that is based on your NEET score. There are lots of counseling process. The major counseling is MCC counseling, so that will provide you the in aims and other things. So here is the complete process. I have taken reference from last year also and any many other options as well. Here is what is MCC counseling cover. What MCC counseling cover? Centralized admission of NEET, MBBS, BDS, BSc nursing handled by MCC. 15% all India quota seat will be given through this counseling. That is a state government added MBBS and BDS seats under all India quota. AIMS and JIPMER seat 100% will be covered in this. A state government, that is whatever is the state college, 15% of that will be covered in this counseling, and rest will be the a state separate counseling. From where you belong, you have that counseling as well. And central institute like BHU, MU, DU, IPU, Jamia Millia Dental, SICS are the that will be participating in this MCC counseling. Deemed university, that is 100% deemed university, are filled through MCC only. Here is the detail what will be available in the MCC. Now let's talk about the next thing. As I am providing you at the start only, I am telling you I am providing you my contact number, that is for your convenience. Other people will take your money on website and they will not respond to you at least 3 4 days, and later they will respond or not. That is not a guarantee. But here what I am doing is I am providing you my number. Just contact me, and if you think that I am good for you, then you can register and get my guidance. Initially, you can pay 1,000 and ask all your questions. And if you think it is good for you, then you can go for the complete counseling process. Verification 100% my responsibility. No need to worry about that. I will be managing all the thing from the physical center, also physical verification center. So even if you have a little bit less disability or there is some difference in the certificate, that is 45% in your body, only 40%, so that is called difference in disability, may be rejected. That's why I'm here to guide you completely so that you will not face any problem. I have done lots of guidance for PWD from last 7 years. You can check my channel. This is the only channel where you will get all PWD related info that I will do. For that only I'm providing my number. If you are interested for paid guidance, then only try to contact me, and be sure that at your whatever you have got the rank or marks, or according to that I will provide the best option. So now let's talk about the next thing, that is here is the information. PWD is PWD and PWD are same, that is person with disability or person with disability. So 5% horizontal reservation is 5% in each category. If you are from general PW, then from general seat 5% will, and if you are from OBC, that means from OBC 5% reserve, like this from all categories. So benchmark disability is 40% disability for PWD. For MBBS eligibility is assessed as per NMC norms and um, design designated medical boards. They have provided the different medical boards, so it is quite difficult as compared to the J of PWD verification. Medical fitness matter, MCC portal notices and qualifying percentile. This 45 percentile for general PWD, PC PWD 40 percentile admission depends on rank, choice, and stability. But minimum this percentile you should have in order to be counseling. So here is the step-by-step MCC process for PWD student. First, NEET result that is already out. MCC registration you have to do. I will share you soon. And PWD verification you have to do at the designated center. This will be my responsibility 100%. I will be taking the charge for that, and I will be so that you will not have to face any problem. You will go and it right automatically and easily. You will not have to face problem even if you have some difference in the disability, your body and certificate. Hope you are understanding. Once you let me, thereafter choice filling that I will do, because choice filling is very very important thing. Once you do it, you have to face problem. And now the result, after choice filling, the result will come as round wise. There is the rounds of counseling, and once all round will be done, or if you have to repeat the college, and then you have the final admission by making payment. Are the steps, that is total 6 steps. So step 1 is register on MCC portal. For login, keep NEET application number, roll number like JEE. You have to do also same thing. Make the payment, registration fee and security. Registration form you have to fill and one application. Do not submit multiple application. Submit just one application. And doesn't guarantee seat allotment, depends on NEET rank, category, WD eligibility metrics, and your lock choice. That doesn't if you just register get the seat. Depends on your NEET, the cutoff, category, PWD eligibility, your PWD certificate required, and metrics, how much seats are available, and your choice lock, whatever you have filled, the choice fill. Now, second is PWD verification. This is very, very important. This video a little bit long, maybe for you, but this is the complete video. After watching this video, you don't need to watch any other video for particularly PWD. I'm telling. So, do not wait for last day. PWD portal window can be round of specific. Missing the window can block PWD claim. Miss the verification, your claim not possible. So check MCC notice. Open the current MCC PWD portal notice round, get certificate that is from the designated center, and good and use correctly. Select PWD category, the registration, and carry original once you go for it. Now document checklist. What are the document required? Yeah, a NEET admit card, NEET score card, that is rank letter, and MCC registration slip, allotment letter, class 10 certificate, 12 photo ID, that is card, passport size photos, category certificate, and domicile certificate. If it for a state quota, if you're uh, colleges, then eligible. Fee bond document as college demand. So also you can, now the third is a smart choice filling for PWD. Very, very important. Dream choice filling, realistic choice filling, safe choice filling. These three balance everything. I will be doing that thing. No need to worry for that. And next is after seat allotment, what to do. No seat allotted, eligible for next round. If you not get any seat in first round, you will get for the next round. Allotted means want upgrade, then could join as per rule. Upgrade called floor. And next is seat allotted satisfied. That means freeze. And a seat allotted but not reported, that is out of next counseling process. And next is reporting to the allotted college. Whatever you will get the college, you report for final admission. Download allotment letter, report document. Then you're at confirm. The round assessment, round 1, round 3, round 4, the vacancy, also called a spot count. Registration is required, new registration, vacancy based conversion of category per after release, different type of technique, they all the things. Now, NEET qualifying cutoff versus admission cutoff. Qualifying cutoff minimum, last year it was 45 percentile for general EWS, PWD, and OBC SC PWD, it was only 40 percentile. Qualifying to qualify the counseling process. If you have this, then you be eligible for counseling process. But admission cutoff, that is closing rank at which college was allotted, this changes by category, quota, round, choice, and vacancy, and also year by year it changes. So for general qualifying, a score was around 143, 127 last year, but this year it is low. And for OBC, SC, WD, it was 120. Last year, cutoff for all aims. Here it is. Here you can expect a little bit change. In PWD, there are lots of changes because what happens in PWD is many people are having different type of disabilities. Some people wants to be at their home, even if they are not getting the best college, they want to be in their hometown. That's why there is lots of variation in the cutoff, and logic fails here. Logic says you go for best college no matter how much here in PWD case, parents want their friend to the long distance better college. So that's why it is variable. That AIMS Delhi 51,000, AIMS Jodhpur 87,000. So you can understand AIMS Jodhpur, but AIMS Delhi very high, but These all are PWD closing all India rank. All India rank. AIMS Bhopal 1,60,000. AIMS 22,000. AIMS Patna 21,000. Suppose in AIMS Bhubaneswar from Odisha, some students very good result, but they want to be in hometown itself. He would have filled easily, he would have got easily, but he haven't filled. So cutoff totally depends on the demand. Not fill anyone, suppose up to 10 lakh rank also not fill in. Cutoff will be above 10 lakhs. So that's like this the cutoff changes. You can check all the cutoff of different aims and aims Gorakhpur 2,94,000, Kalyani 2 lakh, Nagpur 130,000, aims Hyderabad 2 lakh 5,000, Bilaspur 241, Party 309, Jammu 9 that is lakh 9, Rajkot lakh 29, lakh 28,000, 1 lakh 70. Multiple option you can check and here is aims there is per air number equal to more competitive wide variation happen. Aims here it is showing that aims very difficult to get, but this is not the real. Every year it changes just based on the five. If you go, you will see there are lots. Last year cut off of some top non-aims college that is near Pondicherry 33,000, 9 GM, 143 Kozhikode and Thiruvananthapuram 2,50,000, Nagpur 7,000, Chandigarh 14,000, Patiala 3,000, Surat 84,000. These are the top colleges other than AIM. AMC Kota 5,90,000, 95,000, 10,20,000. Final action plan to download the seat and do the registration for choice filling the complete list with help of expert. I will do that after a lot. Final admission process for final admission. Was the complete admission process. Hope you have found this video very very useful and kindly share this video as much as possible so every and do the counseling.